Hello, here Alex. Today I want to show you a Google Slides trick, Google Presentations trick, and let's go. First step, go to Insert menu and scroll down and select Table, select 6 or 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 4 lines. Let's increase that so it takes the whole slide like that. Next step, increase the stroke weight 2 or 3 points, change its color, press them like that. Select a few cells, add fill color that's same of the stroke, press that. It's not pink, it's red. And that and more. It's okay like that. You can pick as many cells as you like. Next step, add an image to cover the whole slide. Insert tab, image. I select search the web, 8318, enter. Like that, maybe. It's okay. Insert. Right click on it, select order and send to back. Select order and send to back. That options. Right now, I think it's better. Now you can add your content over this slide. Select 1 or 2 cells, right click, merge cells, and the text looks great. That's finished. Don't forget to leave a comment, like and subscribe for more tricks. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video.